So, welcome back, friends, in this JLPT series where you learn about Japanese. So, this is the class 7th, and in this class, we will learn about fruits in Japanese. This is the English name of fruits, this is Japanese name in kanji, and this is hiragana or katakana, and this is ramaji, means romanized form of Japanese. So, for apple, it is ringo, ringo, ringo. For banana, it is banana, banana, banana. For orange, it is orangey or mikan, orangey or mikan. For grape, it is budo, budo. For pineapple, it is pineapple, pineapple. For strawberry, it is ichigo, ichigo. For watermelon, it is suika, suika. For melon, it is melon, melon. For peach, it is momo, momo. For cherry, it is sakurambo, sakurambo. For Japanese beer, it is nashi, nashi. For persimmon, it is kaki, kaki. For mango, which is my favorite fruit, it is mango, mango, mango. For lemon, it is lemon, lemon. For kiwi, it is kiwi, kiwi. For fig, it is ichijiku, ichijiku. For plum, it is ume, ume, ume. For pomegranate, it is zakuro, zakuro. For coconut, it is coconutsu, coconutsu. For blueberry, it is blueberry, blueberry. For raspberry, it is raspberry, raspberry, raspberry. For cranberry, it is cranberry, cranberry. For blackberry, it is burakuberry, burakuberry. For papaya, it is papaya, papaya. For guava, it is guava, guava. For lychee, it is reishi, reishi. For star fruit, it is starfruitsu, starfruitsu, starfruitsu. For dragon fruit, it is pitaya or dragon fruitsu, pitaya. For durian, I don't know what is it. For durian, it is durian, durian. For avocado, which is I think your favorite fruit, it is avocado, avocado. For passion fruit, it is passion fruitsu, passion fruitsu. For date, it is natsumeyashi, natsumeyashi. For gooseberry, it is gooseberry, gooseberry, gooseberry. And let's see some Japanese fruit culture like mikan, which is orange. It is the most popular citrus fruit, especially in winters. And for sakurambo, like Japanese cherry, are the smaller and most expensive than Western ones. And for nashi, the Japanese pear are larger and juicier than the Western pears. For suika means watermelons are often given as gift and even come in cube space. For ume like plums, make for umeboshi like sour picked plums and umeshu means plum wine. For melon, it is the premium melon like Yubari melon, which is the luxury gift in Japan and can cost hundreds of dollars. Kono ringo wa totemo amai desu means this apple is very sweet. Ringo jutsu o nomitai desu means I want to drink apple juice. And the next example is banana o asagohan ni tabemasu means I eat a banana for breakfast. Next example is banana wa wakurimu go oi kudamono desu means bananas are fruit rich in potassium. Next example is fuyu ni wa mikan o yoku tabemasu means I often eat mikans means orange in winter. And the next example is orange jutsu o kudasai means please give me orange juice. The next example is budou wa totemo oishii desu. Budou wa totemo oishii desu means grapes are very delicious. The next example is budou kara wine o tsukurimasu means wine is made from grapes. The next example is pineapple wa nangoku no kodamono desu means pineapple is a tropical fruit. And the next example is pineapple pizza ga suki desu ka means do you like pineapple pizza? The next example is ichigo keiki ga daisuki desu means I love strawberry cake. The next example is haru ni wa ichigo gari tanoshimemasu means you can enjoy strawberry picking in spring. The next example is natsu wa suika ga ichiban oishii desu means watermelon is the most delicious in summer. The next example is suika suika wari o shita koto ga arimasu ka means have you ever played watermelon splitting game? The next example is kono melon wa tokyu desu means this melon is high class means expensive. The next example is melon pan o tabete mitai desu means I want to try melon bread. And the next example is momo wa amakute juicy desu. Juicy desu means peaches are sweet and juicy. The next example is momo no kaori ga suki desu means I like the scent of peaches. The next example is sakurambo wa chisaku te kawaii desu means cherries are small and cute. The next example is nihon no sakurambo wa takai desu means Japanese cherries are very expensive. So the next example is nashi wa saki saki shiteimasu means Japanese pears are crunchy. The next example is aki ni naru to nashi ga oishii desu means pears are delicious in autumn. And the next example is mango wa nangoku no kudamono desu means mangoes are tropical fruits. Tropical fruits. Mango jutsu o nomimashita means I drank mango juice. The next example is lemon wa suppai desu means lemons are sour. The next is kocha ni lemon o iremasu means I put lemon in my tea. Kiwi wa vitamin C o whole food is. Means kiwi is rich in vitamin C. Next is kiwi o hanbon ni kitte tabemasu. Means I cut the kiwi in half and eat it. The next example is kokonatsu milku ga suki desu. Means I like the coconut milk. The next is kokonatsu wa dangoku no kinomi desu. Kinomi desu means coconuts are tropical nuts. The next example is kaki wa aki no kudamono desu means persimmons are autumn fruits. The next is hagoshigaki wa amakutte oishii desu means dried persimmons are sweet and delicious. Umeshu ga suki desu means I like plum wine. The next is umeboshi wa soppai desu means picked plums are salty. Pickled plums are salty. The last example is for pomegranate like zakuro. Zakuro no tane wa akakutte kirei desu. Zakuro no tane wa akakutte kirei desu means pomegranate seeds are red and beautiful. So the class is end here and you will tell about